Ever feel like going digital means juggling flaming laptops while riding a unicycle made of passwords? Take a breath. This is the beginner overwhelm fix for your digital pivot, and I'm your slightly over-caffeinated guide. We're going to move from chaos to clarity in 5 simple moves you can start today, even if your Wi-Fi only works when the moon is in a forgiving mood. Step 1. Define your real destination. Not be everywhere. Try this sentence: I help specific person. Get specific result by simple method, and success looks like one number by date. Read it out loud. If it sounds like a fortune cookie, sharpen it. Clear destination equals calmer decisions. Step 2. Ruthless subtraction. Pick one audience, one offer, one platform, one cadence. If the idea doesn't serve that square of focus, it goes on a later list, not your to-do list. Subtract until what remains is embarrassingly doable. Step 3. Tiny pilot. Run a 7-day sprint. Give yourself one 90-minute focus block per day. Day 1. Outline the promise. Day 2. Draft a minimum viable page or post. Day 3. Craft a call to action. Day 4. Invite 10 humans. Day 5. Deliver a bite-sized value moment. Day 6. Collect feedback. Day 7. Reflect and decide. Repeat, refine, or retire. Step 4. Minimum systems that save your brain. Create 2 templates, 1 checklist, and 4 tiny automations. The templates: intro message and follow-up summary. The checklist: your repeating weekly actions. The automations: a calendar link, a canned DM or email, a payment link, and a simple file naming rule. Systems aren't fancy, they're furniture. Sit on them. Step 5. Feedback loop. Track 3 numbers that matter. For example, conversations started, offers made, conversions. After each sprint, ask 3 questions. What worked? What confused people? What will I try next? Write it, don't just think it. Clarity grows when it can hear itself. Click pit stop to refuel the spaceship. Is this guide already turned your brain volume from ah to ah? Tap the like button. It feeds the friendly algorithm hamster that powers this channel's tiny treadmill. Like this video, subscribe for more bite-sized pivots, and share it with someone starting over who needs a soft landing and a firm nudge. And seriously, comment below. What's the digital challenge holding you back? I read them. I reply. And occasionally, I send celebratory gifs of pandas typing. Now, a word about Overwhelm. It lies. It says you need better tools before you take action. But action is the tool. Start with what you own: a smartphone, a free account, a clear sentence. Most progress hides inside the first 20 reps. Do 20 imperfect reps, and you'll be so far ahead of yesterday you that yesterday you will ask for your autograph. Use the 1-mile rule. Plan only what you can clearly see within 1 mile. Build the first mile, then look again. Vision expands with movement. If you can't see the whole staircase, install 1 step and climb it. This is not laziness, it's how rockets course correct. Here's your starter day. Morning, 1 90-minute block on the single most valuable task. Midday, post your minimum viable message where your people already hang out. Afternoon, 1 conversation that could open a door. Jot 3 lines about what you learned. That's it. Repeat for a week. Momentum doesn't shout, it shows up. You don't need certification in everythingology. You need courage to publish, patience to iterate, and boundaries that protect your 90-minute block like a dragon guarding a latte. If this helped, you know what to do. Press like, subscribe, and share it with someone starting over. Then tell me in the comments exactly, word for word. What's the digital challenge holding you back? Your next step begins when you name the obstacle. I'll see you in the next sprint. Recap: choose 1 audience, 1 offer, 1 platform, and run a 7-day pilot. Build tiny systems, track 3 numbers, learn loudly. Progress loves repetition. Start today, for 90 minutes and let tomorrow thank you with measurable, stackable momentum.